Yeah, that's right. I'm watching you, bro. Get to laying my eggs. Trying to be sneaky. We'll see about that. So welcome back, guys, to another episode of Corey's Garage. Today, we're going to address the elephant in the room. My 2002 GMC 2500 HD. So the issue we're having here is, and this is a problem you guys are going to have on your 99 through 06 GMC, Chevrolet, Tahoe, Yukon, all that, is the headlights. It's getting to the point where I can't see anything because they're so fogged up. I mean, this truck's 20 years old now, so it's time to make an upgrade. This video today is brought to you in part by the Auxito Light Company. They specialize in LED headlights for everything from Toyota 4Runners to GMCs to Honda Civics to Corollas, whatever you want to, in the late model realm of headlights. They specialize in all that kind of stuff on that. So let's open them up. All right. Uh-oh. Got some gloves. Got a product manual. And we have the lights. Awesome, awesome. I've also took the liberty of getting a new set of housings. I just ordered these off the Amazon. Now, I didn't get the cheapest ones, and I didn't get the most expensive. I got the mid-grade. And the reason being is these factory headlight lenses, I know you can cut and buff them and use the stuff, and we've already started on that, but they just don't usually come out that well. So we will be replacing those and trying to get the most out of these lights. So let's go ahead and pull these old ones, get these installed. So pretty straightforward deal. We'll have a look here, see what kind of setup we got going on. Pretty nice looking LED lenses. Well, they're not lenses, but pretty nice quality. They look built like they're built really well. So we're going to go ahead and install that. And get that to go in there. Should fit right in. All right, snap just like that. Pretty easy little job. Now we'll get the other two, the brights in, and we'll get these installed. Also, another reason I really dig these trucks is these headlights are so serviceable that you literally just pull them out. Well, what are we hooked on there? Grill. Pull them out, unplug, and voila. We have removed the headlight assembly. That easy. All right, let's hit the switch, see if they come on. How does that look? Holy moly, crack-a-moly. Those are pretty bright. Now, tonight, we're going to test them, but they do need some adjustment. We've got kind of a gap right there. but I'll show you guys how I like to adjust these and everything. But yeah, that's I think that's gonna be pretty rad. It's gonna be pretty rad. So yeah, let's fast forward to tonight. All right, so I told you I'd be back. So right now that line on the headlights is riding pretty high. It's shining kind of up in the trees when you're out on the road. So we're gonna make some adjustments, bring that down just a little bit. So I guess you could say it made a difference. There's the brights, there's the lows. I got a little bit more adjustment, but yeah, you can definitely see pretty good. So yeah, guys, this concludes the headlight transformation on this truck. Those things are so bright, it's almost ridiculous. But it definitely made it where I could see a lot better. So if you guys like what we're doing, hit the subscribe. And yeah, definitely gonna be able to see going down the road now. Thank you for Auxito Lights for hooking us up, sponsoring this video. Go out and get you a set of these lights if you want to see from here to the moon. They do a very good job. As always, if you like what the channel's doing, go like, subscribe, and check out the Auxito Light Company and get you a nice fresh set of headlights. Thanks, guys.